Hello, good morning everyone. I want to show you how to mount orchid. Here I have a coconut timber, hanging coconut timber that I cover here with a black rope here. This is made from Eringa pinnata. Then okay, then I prepare here wet sphagnum moss. And here the plant I purchased yesterday. This is a species orchid, Aerides odorata, but with Alba or white flower. Aerides odorata, Alba variety. I'm on here on the coconut timber covered by Eringa pinnata. And then I put some sphagnum moss to keep the humidity here. Put wet sphagnum moss around the root here. This sphagnum moss can stimulate new root. Species orchid that I purchased yesterday, I ordered online. Easy to mount orchid on the wood. Here I have a coconut timber. But when the plant is not established yet, we have to place this under the shade and to avoid the plant from the bright light. And better we spray this plant regularly with a vitamin B1 at least 2 times a week. Here we go. Well done. So beautiful mound here on the coconut timber, Aerides odorata. Okay, I will update later. Stay tuned on my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Take care and bye.